again. It's a rich thing.
Alright guys, right here clears it on this side. On this side I don't, so I'm gonna adjust my camber just a little bit. Right here it hits, so I'm gonna adjust this camber, and it's scratching my wheels already. Look at that. So I'm gonna air it up and then just adjust this side, I guess, and then just so I could get this to clear. We got Chris over here, take the banner.
Hey, what's up?
We got Eddie over here. What are we doing today, Eddie?
Today we're gonna be installing the side mirrors from the 0708. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it carbon fiber wrapped, plastic dip.
Is it really plastic dip?
Yeah.
Camber. Now I clear, barely. Don't mind all the nasty chip paint and shit. I'll fix that one day. But now it all hit. Shit.
I mean, we're having an issue.
What happened?
Your fucking boulder.
You can't fix it. Just do something. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, do something. Yeah, yep, like that. Oh, you got it. Perfect. You think you could pull that F off up and fix that?
Probably not.
He loves driving with the window down.
If not, you can leave it.
Look at these ones.
Where's all your pieces?
Yeah, where's yeah. Oh snap, you're broken now.
How you gonna bring me this and it's all broken?
Wow, that's so shame. Hey, you too.
Yeah, I know she's like that.
We got Boulder Tim moving out of the driveway. He was supposed to put his CCWs on, but he never did. But if you like his last video, he liked it a lot. Yeah, Mariah. Alright. Make room for the stance guys.
You gonna put his wheels on?
No, he didn't want to put his wheels on. He's a baby.
Why?
He's gonna get all peer pressured. Watch.
That's the whole point of being in the driveway. Then.
That's what I'm saying. Dad, she got you though. No, we're just making room. Put up, Tim. We got a car coming. Air up. I know you can air up higher than that. That's all of it?
See, it said for 150.
There's 170. Alright, you're good anyway. You're already there. You should be good now. Yeah, he was the first one to leave. Alright, just do whatever you want. You're good though. It was just your lip, your splitter. Go forward more. Just go all the way up. A little bit more. A little bit more. I just want to make sure he's able to leave. Right there. Perfect. Alright. That's gonna be Eddie soon. What do you want?
How do we drain out the air tank?
Pull it up. I don't know where yours is. So you want to turn it off first?
I'll turn it off.
Like you do. I'll put yours right here. Actually, take this out. I actually see there's water in it. Turn off your car.
Oh, you have to turn it off?
Because you don't want it to kick, air compressors to kick on. All right. How long have you been back? Like a month or two?
I say a month.
Let's see how much water is in here. He's gonna hit this thing. Yeah, you don't got no water in here.
Cool.
We can air it out, empty it out if you want, but I don't think there's no point. Put your cap back on. It's right there. All right. All right, I'm gonna work on the other side. We get ready, just taking the door panel off. We're gonna put the smears on. All right, we're doing the mirrors for Eddie, and on the forums it said that we don't have to wire up one of the sides, and I guess the driver's side is the one you don't have to wire it up. We didn't do anything to plug into the original harness on the car, and it works perfectly fine. Eddie thinks that he messed up on the other side, but I told him that I think we gotta wire up that one side of it. I'll find out if I'm true or not. Yep. Got Eddie's mirrors working. So the driver's side is plug and play, apparently. Passenger side is got to wire up. If you haven't seen that video, go watch it. Link in the description. I want to show everyone it works. If I find it, I'll
One day
figure
we'll find it.
Let's see it. Left side, right side, and Eddie Steezy, good to go.
Shout out to my boy Dimitri for helping me with this. Made it custom, boy.
Another custom. What's up, guys? Going to my work. I'm bringing my axle with me. Probably gonna replace it at my work. And then I think my tow arms comes in today, so before we do that as well, that means I'll take my car, and yeah, we're gonna be doing that today. Suspension and stuff. Plus this car needs a wash. Kind of rained, so yeah. I went with Insane shaft for this one. It's rated at 500 horsepower, but I figured this will probably handle more stress than an OEM axle. Go check them out on Instagram, Insane Shaft. I got this on Endless RPM. Link in the description where I got this from. Yep. Quick back, the OEM axles, it's not this one, but the OEM axles are probably like $300 or $400 at the Acura dealership. These ones are rated 500 horsepower on Endless RPMs. These are about 210, 250-ish. So you get better and stronger axle rated for more horsepower for cheaper. So yeah, we'll see how this holds up, but I think it should be good for a minute. It feels like super heavy. I guess I'll try to compare it once the old one's out, but it feels pretty strong. Maybe I'll get one for the driver's side, but this one's gonna be for the passenger side. Alright guys, that was a pain in the ass, but I got it out. I'll show you guys what I did real quick. You can see the old axle and the new one. Just be like this. You see it? A little bit thicker, just a little bit stronger. What I did is I take off the upper control arm bolt up there, took off the fork off this coilover, and jacked off both sides. You want to make sure both sides are jacked up because for some reason it leaves tension on there and I could not get it out. So I jacked up the middle and both tires are out and it came off pretty easy. I tried to take this bottom bolt right here, but I couldn't get it off the ball joint, the lower ball joint. But yeah, I took off all the screws and everything. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try to pry off that the other side of the axle. There is a snap ring.
What?
Yeah, there's a snap ring on it that falls in there somehow.
So that was holding it, the snap ring,
Yep.
the whole time.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the old one out.
In here?
Yeah, there's a snap ring on this end of this thing.
Wow.
So look in here.
So if you didn't find the snap ring, You wouldn't have got it out.
Let's see.
How'd you get to the snap ring?
I did it. I just know that's what's holding it though. Yeah, there's a snap ring right here. What I had to do was take the shield off right here. See that shield? There are 12 millimeters. There's 3 all around. And then what I did was I grabbed this kind of crowbar, and I was able to I think I actually put it right here, and I hammered it out. I'm gonna tell you, this is a pain in the ass to do. Real pain in the ass, but got it out. Gonna put the new one in real quick. I might actually put the bolts for the shield in, and then I'll put the new one in, and then put it all back together. So glad. I would never want to do this again. All right, everything done. Everything's now done. Clean up this big old mess. That was not fun. I rate that job at least 7 out of 10. Whew. Alright, we'll clean it up. Then we're going for a test drive. See if I notice anything. But yep. Alright, quick update on Jim's. Yeah, you have to try on your car. We put the carpet back together. We just made holes here and a slit right here for the wires to come out of. Same thing on this side. Slit and that holes. And then he's just missing all his things that could keep this kind of better together, but that's about how it's gonna be. And then he has turn signal mirrors on now. Cinematic. I was like, oh man, it is. It works? Yep. Might go in a random clip video, I don't know. Haven't picked up the camera for a while. What are we doing today?
Today we're finally lowering it.
Let me see your
The wheel gap.
let me see the Rev 9s. It is a Rev 9. This is the first time I actually saw these in person.
Don't mind the floor mat.
These are more of a newer coilovers, I think, like brand. I think they got diamond stitch front seats.
Nope.
Alright, let's take a look. Pull that one out. Let's take a look at it. These are nice. See, these are the Rev 9. These are like one of the newer brands. And it has dampening on top, which is very dope. Clean. You ready?
Method Customs is gonna knock it out in.
Yeah, 4 hours. We'll say 3 to 4 hours.
It ain't bags, guys.
Okay, 3 hours. Versus bags takes like 6 hours. We'll knock out the front, then we'll do the rear. We got Dante SAA. You already got his badge on.
So yeah, hopefully it'll say co-leader soon.
We're probably gonna slam him as low as Mariah's car. We'll see. I'm just kidding. How low are you trying to go?
Just to film the wheel gap.
Oh, all right. So now, like, you're like going like Fortune low, right?
Yes, sir.
Or do you want him lower? Cause I'll lower it if you say so.
I don't know. He needs to learn how to drive with the bumper.
Oh.
So he won't hit nothing too low.
What he means to say is before I buy the white, I expect the brand new.
Are you picking it up? You putting a down payment or what?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Stay patient.
All right. Kenny might stop by. All right, we got the Rev 9 coilovers on. This is the max height it's gonna get without being dangerous. So this is the highest we got it, and we're gonna see him come out. The only issue we have with this one is on the passenger side, just like the AirTech strut. The stud was wrong, so I had to cut it off. But other than that, everything else fit perfectly fine. We got the Duraflex Apex side skirts on. That's pretty good. Not too bad. All right, turn all the way to the, all the way, yeah. All right, good. Have fun. Tag me on Instagram.
Thought that we were meant to be till you struck out like 1, 2, 3. The thought of you was heavenly at first, now it's where hell will be. Oh, I've been ballin' on my own, shawty, sippin' foes, pour it in a 20, make it strong, shawty. Gripping post, catch your new little nigga in his own, shawty. I'ma blow, hit him with the Ruger and it's too solid, make it go. Shh, doing both. Make his heart hurt, that's what love is. Leaving me for him, are you on drugs, bitch? I know you are, cause you never perk, but it's so perfect.
I thought that we were meant to be. You took my heart and made it bleed. I gave you all my ecstasy. I know you'll be the death of me. Left lipstick on my Hennessy. Felt like you took my soul.